All right, turning to our first alert weather now. And Lauren, it's not often that we see folks in the Northeast who've got weather hotter than ours in summer.
Exactly. And those temperatures right now are in the mid 90s, even in the triple digits for a good chunk of the eastern half of the United States, all under heat alerts thanks to this big ridge of high pressure that's dominating in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Well, the thing is we're hot and we're on the western edge of this ridge. So we're getting a decent amount of that moisture starting to pull into the North Texas area, but we're also going to be monitoring as we head into this upcoming rest of the weekend that a mid-level ridge will continue to build. And what that means for us is, well, the heat is going to be on. Again, thanks to that flow, we're getting that southerly flow. The chance for a couple spotty showers and thunderstorms will be expected through the day today, all thanks to that ridge of high pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Scattered potential down for our southeastern counties across the Metroplex, just about an isolated potential for some rumbles of thunder. I'm not anticipating severe weather. However, some gustier winds associated with these storms, upwards of around 40 miles per hour. A lot of frequent lightning. If we do see a rumble of thunder, will be possible. And if you remember the saying, of course, when thunder roars, make sure you head indoors because lightning can be very dangerous. Here's a look at around 4 p.m. Again, southeastern region is where the majority of this activity will take place, but an isolated cell across all of North Texas will be a possibility. Moving into the overnight, not too much activity happening, but then into Thursday, a couple more spotty storms will be possible across North Texas. Not everybody will see rain or heavy thunderstorm development, but there is that potential there to keep in mind, especially if you're headed out to the pool or to the lake. 83 degrees is where we're sitting at as of right now. Dew point temperature is at 71. That's making it feel more like 88 degrees, and that trend will continue through the rest of this afternoon. By 4 p.m., that's your high temperature for the day today. Since we're seeing a decent amount of cloud cover, we're not allowing a lot of that solar radiation to seep down to the ground and warm us up too much, even though 91 degrees is your high. Typically for this time of the year, we're around 93 for this day and time, which means we're sitting a couple degrees below average. Hey, we'll take it though. The heat index value will make it feel more like 98 as we do move into this afternoon. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you're taking frequent breaks into the AC and, of course, drinking plenty of water. Moving into tomorrow morning, 76 degrees is what you'll be waking up to, a little bit warm and muggy for you. And then high temperature tomorrow sitting at 94 degrees. We start to build in a mid-level ridge as we continue into the weekend, which means those temperatures start to climb high on Saturday and Sunday, topping out around 98, Karen.